and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. Anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare on fast unto death. Do or die, says Anna. Sunday, 5th day of Team Anna's fast. Strong Lokpal first, talks later. Anna wants UPA. Plan to transfer police within native taluka hits roadblock. 72% policemen in Goa. Police just from 3 talukas of Prudent, Satari and Bichuli. .340 fatal accidents in factories in past 3 years. 38 workers lost lives, 367 injured. In Goa, 1 factory accident and 1 injured every 3rd day. Watch Prudent Media's report. Goa Football Development Council has its new home. Council discusses players' pension, job reservation for footballers, advanced medical support in its first ever general body. And Dempo's Godwin Franco feels his time is now. I want to play more I-League football. I have always performed, says Godwin. Guinea-based Godwin feels his India playing chances are hampered due to this. And now the news in detail. 75-year-old anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare is on a war path once again with his weapon of fast unto death. Anna says this time it's a do or die. Anna joined his team and thousands of supporters at Jantar Mantar in Delhi after his 4-day ultimatum to the government ended on Sunday. It was a 5th day of Team Anna's fast. Anna says UPA-led government has betrayed crores of Indians on Lokpal, fearing that UPA's 15 ministers will be behind bars. This time, he said it will be Lokpal first, talks later. It's fast unto death. There are protests being held at 7 race course every day.
ये मंत्रियों का प्रश्न बीच में क्यों आ गया? तो 1.5 साल आंदोलन चल रहा है और 1.5 साल के बाद भी आश्वासन देते हैं, पलट जाते हैं, आश्वासन देते हैं, पलट जाते हैं। तो जब इसके बारे में सोचा कि ऐसा क्यों करते हो लोग, तब ये बात ध्यान में आ गई। ये 15 मंत्री जो दोषी है वो इसमें बैठे हैं, क्योंकि उनके फाइलें जब आ गई ये मंत्रियों की, और वो फाइलें जब जांच की और उसमें ये साबित हो गया कि उन पर आरोप लगे हुए हैं, और जब मुझे भी बताया तब ये कि ये कैसे कैसे आरोप है, तो ध्यान में आ गया कि ये 15 मंत्री जब तक अंदर बैठेंगे तब तक ये लोकपाल नहीं आएंगे। अभी अनशनकर्ता में 15 लोग तो हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो गए। अभी उन्होंने मुझे शर्त रखी कि अगर आपने अनशन शुरू किया तो हम पानी पीना भी छोड़ देंगे। मेरा मन नहीं मान रहा कि हमारे सब साथी अनशन पर बैठे और मैं सिर्फ इधर ऐसे बैठे रहूं, ये मेरा मन नहीं मान रहा। इसलिए मैं हमारे टीम के सभी मेंबर और यहाँ जो अनशनकारी अनशन कर रहे हैं उनको मैं हाथ जोड़कर विनती करता हूँ कि मुझे अनशन करने की आप परमिशन दे दो, और मैं ऐसे मानता हूँ कि आपने परमिशन दिया है, इसलिए अभी से मेरा अनशन शुरू हो रहा है।
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Police Department's proposal to transfer policemen within their native talukas has hit a severe roadblock. Transfer plan was formulated in such a way that family life of cops doesn't get disturbed. However, the proposed plan has brought many shocking facts to the fore. Out of 2,500 police constables and havaldars in Goa Police, around 1,800, that's almost 72%, are just from 3 talukas of Prudent, Satari and Bichuli. Watch this report. Many constables have served for almost 8 to 10 years without a transfer in some of the police stations. Usually they are transferred within 2 to 3 years, but most of the police personnel prefer posting close to their native or residential places. Considering the situation, revised transfer proposal of transfer within native taluka was drafted by the police headquarters. Goa has around 2,500 constables and havaldars. Out of these, 1,800 are just from 3 talukas, Pedne, Sattari and Bicholi. Around 500 to 600 police personnel are from South Goa, excluding the Salsette. Police department has the lowest personnel strength from Salsette. If revised transferred proposals are executed considering the proximity of their residences or native places, then 4 to 5 police stations in South Goa will see a shutdown. Moreover, the Catholic community-dominated taluka like Salsette has policemen in very less number. The department has now found itself in an awkward situation. Recently, only 3 policemen agreed to get transferred to Madgaon out of 200. North Goa has a total strength of 840 constables and havaldars. There is a deficit of 150 police in North Goa. In South Goa, the strength is 661, facing a crunch of 270 personnel. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. 340 accidents have occurred in factories in the state in last 3 years. 38 workers have lost lives in these accidents, while 367 have been injured. Some of them are still fighting with a permanent disability. The figure of death toll in last 5 years is still high and touches a 55 mark. That means on an average, one factory accident and an injured every third day in Goa. Watch this report.
Factories and Boilers Inspectorate has recorded a total of 340 factory accidents in the last 3 years. The units witnessing such accidents include pharma companies, rolling mills, scrap melting units to shipyards. The major accident amongst was at Global Ispat at Kukule Industrial Estate in July 2009. This factory accident claimed 2 lives, whereas 33 were left with severe injuries. The overall death toll of workers in the factory accidents across the state in the last 3 years has reached 38 and injuries touching 367 mark. That means on an average, one accident and a worker injured in 3 days. Factories and Boilers Inspectorate has provided security and safety training to almost 6,000 and odd workers in the factories in the last 3 years, but high figure of accidents, deaths and injuries demands still more serious effort. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.